Hello, my name is Georgia Puente Meza. I came here a few weeks ago. I needed rehab and I wanted to get my life back. I had a car accident. I had laid in bed for so long that after I got my hip replacement, I had a lady named Mary came to me and discussed about reunion. So when I came here, I couldn't get out of bed. Now I can do all those things with a little bit of assistance. Well, they strap some straps around my shoulder and they strapped some straps around my leg, and I was slowly walking, trying to pick up my left leg, putting pressure on my right or my left, just to take my steps. And I just little by little kept going. And so that machine really helped me at first. Of course, I can walk now with the walker. I exercise every day. I use the rickshaw. I use the pedaling, the bike. I really like it because they're very attentive, they're very caring to me and helping me. Now that I'm independent to somewhat, they're letting me do things for myself. I would like to tell them to keep trying because eventually you will get better. It just takes patience, it takes time, but eventually you will. Your legs, your arms, whatever it may be.